Counting or combining like terms. Like terms are basically things that can be counted together. So we can combine the same variables because they are counting the same thing, and these are like terms. So for example, we have 4 chickens and 3 apples are combined or counted with 7 chickens and 2 apples. We can write the 4 chickens as 4C, the 3 apples as 3A, and we have this grouping here that we put in brackets. And we have 7 chickens and 2 apples in this grouping here, which we put in brackets as well. So we can count the chickens together. So we have 4 plus 7. So we have 4 chickens plus 7 chickens. That's going to give us 11 chickens in total. We can count the apples together. 3 apples and 2 apples, and that gives us 5 apples in total. We're counting all these, so we're going to combine them with a plus. Now we can't add 11 and 5 because 11 is counting something different than the 5 is. 11 is counting chickens, the 5 is counting apples. So the variables work the same way. If we have an x and an x, we can count those x's together. The number in front is called the coefficient, and that is our counter. That counts. That tells us how many groups of x. How many groups of x? The 4 here counts the groups of y. The 7 here counts the groups of y. So when we combine like terms, we can add the like terms together. Now, we should try to work vertically. So as I do my combining, I'm going to count my 3 x's and 2 x's together in the next line. So I get 5x, and notice that my work is vertical. Everything is 3. If I wanted, there's no equals in here. The equals is implied. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So we're going to have here plus our grouping of y's. So we're going to have 4y plus 7y. So 4y's plus 7y's. So we're going to group those. We're counting. 4 plus 7 gives us 11 y's in total. Now we can't add the 5 and 11 because they are counting different things. We have 5 x's and or plus 11 y's. So again, we're going to work vertically here. We're going to start with our ones, which is our 7 ones and 5 ones. So we're going to write this down as 12 ones. And again, notice I'm working vertically. 7 plus 5, there's no equals, but the equals is implied vertically. I'm going to next go to my A's. I've got 3A plus 1A. That's 4 plus 2A's, and that's going to give me 6 A's in total. I'm going to move to my B's. 2 B's plus 3 B's, that's 5 B's total. Then I'm going to move to my C's. I've got 7 C's plus 7 C's plus 5 C's. That's going to give me plus 12 C's. Okay, and again, I can't add this together. This does not read 12 plus 6. This reads 12 ones plus 6 A's, which we can't combine. When we have brackets, brackets are grouping. Grouping is multiplication. So we have to multiply out brackets here. So I have 2 groups of A plus B. That means I have 2 A's and 2 B's. So I'm going to do that first. See how many A's and B's that I have. So 2 A's, 2 B's, plus 1 A, plus 4 more B's. Again, notice I'm working vertically, straight down, and I'm going to do my adding vertically. 2A plus 1A gives me 3 A's. Again, the equals, we don't write equals sideways like this. Okay, our equals is going to be vertical, and we don't write it down. Plus We have 2 B's and 4 B's, so we have a total of 6 B's. And again, we don't count those, we don't add 3 plus 6 because the 3 is counting something different than the 6 is. 3 is counting A's, 6 is counting B's.